Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Build Time. Today, me and Stefan will go over just some new stuff today, and kind of exciting. We were planning on doing a different episode today, but we ended up kind of pulling an audible here. And let me just share my screen real quick. What do you want to share? There we go. So this post came through today. Tim from Next.js, he just said in this Twitter post, Next.js 13 is stable. And I just asked Stefan, hey, what do you say we go ahead and just do a live demonstration of converting one of our templates from Next.js 12 to 13. And Stefan, being the good sport he is like, all right, why not? Let's go for it. So, Stefan, how you doing? You ready to do this?
Yeah, I'm ready as I'll ever be. I think there's a lot of excitement around Next.js 13. Yeah, I've taken a nice brief overview of the blog post, and I mean, we're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna see what happens because I don't know.
Let's do it live.
Yeah, I don't know too much. Let me know when you see my screen.
See it.
Cool. Yeah. So I think we're just gonna try out as much as we can here, like maybe some nested layouts. That's exciting. TurboPack's gonna be cool. Maybe we can see like what kind of performance we can get out of like the image, and I'm kind of curious to see with the new link if we have to go through and update a bunch of our links and take out the A tags, I guess. So let's get into it. I'm just gonna copy this. And let's do...
So this will be a yarn, right? You'll need the yarn or PNP. There you go.
Yeah, the PNP in that one. All right, here we go.
So this is the way to do it, right? Just break it first and then go back retroactively and just fix everything. Okay.
Absolutely.
So this is just so our viewers and listeners know this is our first go at this. We did no preparation of this whatsoever, and we're just kind of doing it live. So
yeah, let's see how straightforward it really is. To be honest, I just want to see. I might update my own website if this isn't too complicated. But we were kind of having this discussion the other day about upgrading Next.js to 13 and like, on the basis like, do you really need to upgrade to like Next.js 13? I don't know, like the recent versions are very stable and they're working really nicely, but you know, there's definitely some cool features.
So before we boot this up, can you show everyone just what we're doing, what template this is?
Yep. Yep. Yeah.
I think that would be helpful to show. Like we've got this Next.js developer portfolio template. It's working great on Next.js 12. And I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of stuff to fix up to make it Next.js 13 compatible, but I guess we'll see.
Yep. I think the most we really do maybe like something with the layouts with our like main content and the navigation, and then I'm curious to see some of the image stuff because we're definitely doing some image optimizations with our markdown stuff here. So, but yeah, this is a great example to just kind of dive into it. Nothing too complicated. Not doing any like server components or anything like that. So, yep, everything's updated. Let's see if there's anything telling us anything in the console. Okay, no, nothing crazy. Let's just start the dev server and see what happens. Refresh this.
Hold on to your butts.
'Cause that's old. All right, let's see, folks. It's exciting though. The keynote was really. Oh, there's okay.
Here we go. All right. It's
all right.
Some legacy behavior.
So let's see.
Wow.
It's the A tags. It's all these A tags.
A nice verbose error message that's always welcome to tell us exactly what's throwing an error.
Absolutely. Let's see even just like how they did on their end here. Look at that. What? Wait a minute. New link code mod automatically upgrade previous. Really? Should we do it? I think we should do it. You seeing this?
Oh, Really? Whoa.
Do you think that'll
That's
just
cool.
fix it? Let's try that. That's really interesting. So, what is before I run this, what is a code mod? Next code
That's a good
mod.
question.
Let's see if it just goes through. Yeah. Upgrade your Next.js code base when a feature is deprecated. How cool.
Beautiful.
All right, let's run
So
it.
that will actually automatically change the code to be compliant.
Yeah. All right.
Wow.
That's nice. That I could imagine is really tedious to go through and upgrade all the even if oh man, could you imagine just a big site? That would not be fun.
Yeah. This is something I didn't even know existed, and it seems to be a great tool to just update all of your code automatically. Ideally, this would just run without any sort of manual work on our end, right? So
Yeah.
I wonder if if they can, you know, satisfy every use case of like a link and all of the different properties, parameters,
Yeah, could
customizations
you
that someone could have.
oh my
But
god.
this would be really cool if it just worked.
I'm gonna be blown away. Okay. Wait, I didn't even care to look. It didn't okay, I don't know what that error is. Whoa, 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 whoa. You may use the before we can thank you for using Nextcode. Before we continue, please stash or commit your Git changes. Oh, okay, so you need a clean.
Hmm.
Let's I guess I'll just push to this is a different branch, but oops. What do you think? I guess we'll just push to this branch. I'm guessing that's what you need. Is it just a clean? Is that what they want? A clean
Oh, you
directory?
don't push. Just go ahead and if you want to commit,
Stash.
you might want to just branch off into a
Oh,
new testing branch from this.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Did you want to go back and redo it? You
Yeah,
might
I'll
want to
redo
redo
it.
it.
Yeah, I'll just
So maybe get off onto the
redo.
main branch and then
Yeah. Redo these guys. What do
abort,
I have
abort.
here? Get abort mission.
Yeah, I would say that's probably better to branch off of the main branch for this update.
Okay, let's do update next. Yep. Okay, and now let's redo this. Let's go.
Run.
Where
Yeah.
are you? There you are. Nope. Okay.
Okay, so while this is running, let's take a look at the code mod stuff again because that's pretty interesting. I wonder
Yeah.
what other
Look at
things
that.
are capable here. So they've got new link.
New
What
link.
else?
Very cool. Image to legacy. Okay, that's cool. How are they doing that? Because like the new image
Yeah, they had that
needs.
future image for a while.
Yeah. The new image needs an alt text. I know that's like a accessibility thing they're pushing, which is I think that's cool. But
Hmm.
I wonder if they'll just add like a boilerplate alt text. Oh, so what is the difference? Oh, so now future image. Oh, look at that. So now your legacy, the image on 12 and whatever 12 and before will now be legacy image, and it'll update the future image if you were using future image to the current image. Okay, they've got experimental stuff.
What's in the experimental stuff?
It's image stuff. It's more
So
experimental
layout
stuff.
is
Layout,
removed, all that. Okay.
style. Okay, that's cool. You can just make now. You can just make a class with all the stuff you want instead of using all their Object fit position. That is convenient. Okay. So this has existed. This has been around.
Hmm.
And we're just
Sorry to
finding out
hear.
about it. Okay, let's go back. So let's update next and what is it? React, some React packages. Yeah, okay, whatever. Yup. And then where are you? There you are. And we're doing it again. Look at that. Spawning workers. Whoa. Oh, sick.
Oh, that was quick.
Look at that. Look at that. What was
Oh,
that?
wow.
Look at that. 4.78 seconds. Albeit, not a huge project, but changes to 8 different files. Okay. Moment of
That's
truth.
pretty dope.
Yeah, that's cool. Refresh. I'm guessing. Oh, it's beautiful. It worked.
Huzzah.
Wow. That's cool.
Amazing.
Everything works.
So all those links work?
Yup. Look at that. Look at that.
That is beautiful.
Very cool.
Good job, Next.js team.
Yeah, wow, actually props. That's cool. What else then? Okay, so we got link. We can cross link off the list. I guess we might as well just go in and update all the image stuff, but I kind of want to see. Well, I guess we'll just look in version control after, but let's do the images too. Let's knock them out.
Did they have the image code mod?
Yeah, they had an image code mod. Check it. Look, where is it? New image to legacy image.
So what would that do though? Would that make all of your images in the code base revert to the legacy image?
Yeah, it would make all the current images use legacy image. And then, wait, which wouldn't really do much for us here.
Yeah.
I don't even know, like, I guess.
Is there even an issue with the images?
No, they're all working well. I just,
working fine, right?
I think there's performance benefits from updating the to the new next image. Let's see. Let's read. Layout. Did I pass it? Where are you? Okay. Introduce a powerful new image component, allowing you to easily display images without layout shift and optimize files on demand for increased performance. Improved core web vitals. The new image component ships less client-side JavaScript, easier to style and configure, more accessible requiring alt tags, aligns with the web platform. Okay. Faster because native lazy loading doesn't require hydration. So now they're using native lazy loading. Cool. I say we go for it. I say what do we got to lose here?
Okay. Well, I guess my thinking is that it's if all of the images are already using next image, they're already updated. So I don't understand why we would want to change them to the legacy version. You know what I mean?
I guess they are.
So
wait.
So they're all using the new format now.
I see. Well, just to
so
make
I don't
sure.
think we want to do that.
I just want to check
go back
this.
to the legacy version.
Yeah, no, you're right. This should throw an error because I took the alt text off, but maybe it just throws a warning. There it is. There it is. So that does. I'm just confirming that means it's updated already. Oh, that makes sense because.
So we're updated. So
yeah,
I wonder
cool.
also.
Cool.
Was there any other new properties there that we could test out? Like
some
placeholder
the image
blur was there, but
yeah,
that
that's
was
already
there before,
been there.
right?
Yeah, that's already been there.
Okay.
What if their docs have anything new on it? They may have updated. I'm not going to sort through that. I guess it would have been helpful. Ship less giants.
So maybe what we
Yeah.
could do is do a performance test. Maybe we could do like a apples to apples comparison between Next.js 12 and Next.js 13, where we have the old version running. But I guess we would have to run this in production mode locally
We just
to get a
build
little
it.
lighthouse score on. Yeah,
Yeah, let's give it a build.
maybe after we do all of this stuff, let's
Sure.
do that after.
Sure.
And just after we do all of our updates, and then we'll just kind of test performance benefits, see if there's any.
Let's do it. Okay.
Now, what else do we want to?
Do we want to do the layouts?
We could, yeah.
The layout
Switching. So you've got this set up as like the old like pages directory,
Yep.
right? And so what does it say as far as like switching from pages to the app directory?
Creating routes inside app requires a single file page. Server components. Interesting. So you make an app directory alongside your pages directory, and they work together. Roots in the app directory will take precedence over roots in pages. Components inside app are React. Interesting. There's server components though. Yeah.
So have you
I'm not
done
sure.
any research on the difference between server and client components? Because they have that link there, and I'm not too clear on what the exact differences are between these two.
I haven't looked through this too much. Page will go through differences. Components.
So I imagine
Okay.
the benefit maybe is just that it ships less JavaScript. Right?
Yep.
Seems to me like that could be the main selling point of this
Yeah.
way of developing now more closely towards the server, which is kind of ironic given the popularity of JavaScript libraries,
Right.
everything, all the interactivity, all the JavaScript going to the client end, and now we're sort of going backwards and saying, well, we might have overdone it on the bundle sizes going to the client, so let's try to go back, kind of like that Astro approach of let's ship less JavaScript to be more performant. This seems to be maybe moving in that direction a little bit of saying let's dial it back and optimize on the bundle that we ship to the client.
Yeah, that's quite interesting, especially in the ecosystem of all the JavaScript libraries. They get really bloated. Okay, that's interesting, but maybe for our case here, we could leave that. What about TurboPack?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, is there anything for us to test with this?
Well,
Next.js dev -- turbo. There it is.
should we go for it? You just run it. That's it.
Yeah, let's try
Cool.
turbo, see what it does.
Okay. Oh, I wonder if I even have the. Is this the Next.js command line interface?
I think you can probably do the same command that you did before, pnpm dev, and then do -- turbo. I wonder if that works the same. It may or may not.
Nice. Oh. E-life cycle. Interesting. That didn't work.
What was the error message specifically?
It's a life cycle.
Can you scroll up?
Yeah. Okay. It's the experimental, oh, look at that. Pretty.
Yay, gradient. Nice.
Configuration. Okay, so we need to configure out. If you already made these changes, please do this one. Post CSS not supported, and Tailwind is not supported. That is a bummer. We currently don't support Tailwind CSS out of the box. Now we have an option here. We could go down the rabbit hole with concurrently. What is concurrently? Spawns command with spawn command. Run multiple command. Oh, that's just. Yeah, I say let's go down the rabbit hole here.
All right, let's keep going.
Start with post CSS. Ooh. And then we'll grab Tailwind setup. You know, but so far it's like, well, I don't see why you could definitely just upgrade and get the image benefits, and then it'll rework all your links, which is really convenient. So
yeah, I think the link and the image benefits are pretty awesome. I think that the layout stuff may be a little more time consuming as far as an update.
yeah, the layout's definitely this TurboPack. I guess we're finding out right now what we're getting into. So it looks like
let's do the TurboPack, and then I think we should take a stab at the app directory and see what we can do there. So it might be a little more straightforward than we're initially thinking.
Okay. I guess I'm just gonna pop this in. I wonder though.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Interesting.
Was it dev? Yep.
We copy those both over, right?
I need both of them. They're not overlapping, are they? Concurrently. That's overlapping. Post CSS input, output watch.
So those look like example CSS files, but you have your own maybe like global CSS.
Yeah. Actually, let's see if this one will run it. Oh, I see. Okay, and then it's the build command.
You may not have even needed to install
that
other one. The post
CSS.
Unless are you using post CSS?
I'm not really using it. I do have a config, but
I'm not doing.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, it's there. Good. Do I have an extra double quote on there? Is that wrong? No. Okay. Yeah. Let's run it.
So you can run concurrently Next.js. So basically what's happening there is it's running both of those commands, next dev and tailwind CSS, input, output, and watching it so that it auto converts it. on runtime, right? So
Interesting. So then I should be able to run this right here. Next
just
dev turbo.
next. You just need to do pnpm dev. That's it.
That's it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's already doing everything inside of that script.
Whoa. Okay.
So where did it barf?
Not supported with TurboPack in v13. Configuration supported. To use Turbo other configuration. I don't really have anything configured though.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, how about we punt on TurboPack?
Yep.
And then let's look at the layout stuff.
Okay.
Because I think that may be more interesting. Honestly, probably
Yeah.
the TurboPack is like we get maybe an incremental boost in speed on our run script and boot up time or whatever. But I think the biggest change here seems to be this app directory.
Yep.
So what do you think if we were to just like rename pages to app? Would that totally break everything?
I mean, let's just see. Let's just do it. I think I don't see why we don't just go for it. I guess I should probably change these back. Yeah.
Just revert all that. Yeah, probably.
Okay. Get out of here. The app directory is experimental. Okay. We need this. And if I remember correctly, what is it?
I wonder what is going. Why is it saying experimental if this is the stable version?
Yeah, it's interesting. Let's see if there.
Do you suppose that maybe there's a did you happen to clear out that Next.js folder? Like I think that has like the cache folder .next.js. That maybe
you're talking about this one.
Try something. Yeah, go ahead and delete that. I wonder if maybe some. Yeah,
the
just
whole
the
thing?
whole thing. Just delete it. Yeah, just delete it, and then let's rerun. I'm wondering if there's maybe an issue that it didn't clear that out. And it still has the 12, but maybe not. Maybe you do need to add the experimental flag. Okay, I guess so.
Oh.
So you, yeah. So you,
I forgot.
Need to
I forgot what the key is, though. Do you know on the top of your head what the key is for experimental features? Key? Yeah, like the. Here, like here we go. Or like, what's it gonna be in? Module exports.
Oh, it showed you right there in the error output. You had it says right there experimental. Please add experimental app directory true.
Just add it like here.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Remove the brackets.
Okay.
I think that's that's.
That's it. Thank you for testing after. Okay, cool.
So it's rolling. Now, I believe that we had to have a page file, right?
We do need a page file still. Whoa. Sorry, I'm just lost. Get rid of those. Okay, layouts. It's just a single file. Creating routes inside requires a single file. Index root. Okay, so the page.js is now the index root.
Mm.
Does that make sense? Or are you saying it needs a page directory?
Well, it says page.js. That's, I guess, JSX is also compatible,
Oh,
right?
wait, look at this. Look at this. Your page did
We
not have
created
a
app
root layout.
layout.
Cool. Okay. So now they made a
Whoa.
layout here. And now maybe one of these should be marked as client.
Holy.
Enter use client. Wow.
That's interesting.
You have a server component that imports Next router. Use Next navigation instead. But does this work? Ooh, oh, it's not that one. Sorry. You have a server component that. Oh, okay. So this is what you might run into. Use Next navigation instead. Maybe one of them. Okay. So now you can mark things as client. Where do you do that?
Look like the beta docs there might be the one you want. Go
Where
back.
are you seeing that? Over here?
And that you had a Google search that you. There was the beta docs. That was like the second result.
Yep. There you are.
I think that's linking and navigation. Yeah.
Server side. Server centric routing supports instant loading states. Yeah, this is cool. JS. Yeah, I suppose I was a little underprepared for this one. Probably could have done a bit more. Probably could have done a lot more reading. Yeah.
No, that's fine. I think this is a cool start that we just sort of started to figure out what the approach is from the Next.js team, and I think this is really interesting to see as we kind of sort of trip up through this kind of like walking backwards into their upgrade path. Like they're kind of helping us out a little bit on these error messages and kind of the automation I think that they've set up, which is pretty nice.
Yeah, no, they've got tons of support as far as in your command line and in error messages, and the documentation's very nice too. So, it's
well. Did you want to revert all of that stuff that we just did and see if we can check out any of the performance benefit from the image optimization, or maybe we can.
What do you think? Should I
get a conclusion here going?
Yeah.
on the episode.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Well, I guess I guess we could just revert all this stuff and then simply just do the link updates.
The image.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
I bet you there's some optimization that's been made as far as like how much JavaScript maybe shipped to the client side, even in our old kind of client component architecture.
Yeah. Okay, so then I'm going to get rid of all these changes here.
Improvement there.
And then we're going to go one more time here.
So not touching TurboPack for now, not touching the layout stuff, which seems pretty involved. I'm glad we went down that path just to see like what it takes. Also, I'm sure some listeners and viewers will note that like it's a little more involved, not simply just a folder name change, and some reading is involved as well.
Yeah, but, definitely.
But yeah, it seems pretty pretty doable. Maybe we'll take that part offline, but
Yeah.
let's check out these other optimizations
I
and see what the result
yeah.
is.
And I think they made this very clear is like you could opt into whatever. You don't have to opt into everything. And I think like the simplest things of just upgrading and running some of the what are those the code mod to upgrade like the link, and then like you're pretty much good. You should be good to go for the most part. I can imagine if you're doing a lot of stuff like server side rendering, maybe um,
Mm-hmm.
maybe that's a little different. Okay. I'm just upgrading the links here. I'll share my screen.
Do you want to go ahead and share your screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Something's happening with source control. Okay. Oh, I see. I see what happened. Oh no, never mind. All right. Yep. Hold on. I'm just gonna close this and reopen it.
Was VS Code
Crashed or something.
Oh, crashed. Oh, okay.
I don't even know.
History restored.
There we go.
Good news.
Beautiful. Huh. What happened? Skipping paths in a video. Oh wait, I just do. Do I just run it on all? I forgot.
It's just a dot.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. Now, shall we just build it?
Well, what all changed here so far? So just the links, and then
Just
the
the
images
links.
don't need to change at all?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Yeah, let's build it.
Build it.
And then run the production build, and we'll see what the difference is.
No. My symbols.
Uh-oh.
No, please. Okay.
Are these new
It's not gonna
error
build.
messages from
Yep.
13?
Yeah. I don't know. Those weren't throwing before, so let's just fix those real quick. Okay, that's one. Contact.
Where's the code mod for this one?
Yeah, for real.
Master place.
I know. There must be some kind of
Oh, that's rich text.
yeah.
That's rich text, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's try it again. Oh, I do still have. Wait a minute. Oh, I do. I do still. Wait, what? I have an app and. Well, it's gonna build anyway.
Go ahead and delete that app folder, though, right? Like,
Yeah,
make sure
I
it's
don't.
not
I don't. Yeah, I don't need it.
causing shipping any extra JavaScript.
Yeah, let me just rebuild.
Yeah. And we made sure that we're not like that we reverted all of those other changes, right? As far as like the
Oh yeah, I got rid of all. I started from
adding
scratch.
concurrency and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I just literally wiped everything. I don't know why I didn't delete the app directory, but
Okay.
okay. All right. Let's see what we got going on. This one. Where's my image? Oh, there you are. Okay. So I guess we could just do a comparison of like the JavaScript being shipped here.
Hmm.
Wonder if there's a substantial difference.
The result here, and where can we kind of investigate further? So, localhost is a lot more, and then the
It's a lot
production
more,
is
yeah.
a lot less.
Yep.
So what are those numbers?
Like in total?
Just what are we comparing here? We're comparing JavaScript resources.
Yep.
Local is what? Production is what?
Yeah. JavaScript resources 4 megabyte on local, and then right here it's 1.4 megabytes. So on our next 12 version
Okay.
here. Yeah. Oops.
Okay.
Yeah.
So obviously not something they want to advertise as far as shipping more JavaScript in the newer version. But I don't think that's really the case. Most likely we'll need to deploy this to Vercel to actually see, how about that? Do you want to go ahead and deploy this on a branch?
Sure. Let's
And
just
then we'll see.
pop in a,
I'm sure it'll deploy fairly quickly.
Yeah, let's pop in the PR. Can't automatically merge. How dare
Can't
you?
automatically merge.
That's a pain. Boy.
Why is that? Let's take a look and see what's the issue.
Okay. Huh.
Oh, lock file and then package JSON.
Let's see. Okay, we're good. It's still built. That's good.
Sweet.
Cool. Okay. Okay, this should be more realistic here. Okay, we got main branch and we got next 13 branch. And this should be a little bit more accurate.
Moment of truth.
Still more. It's still more. That's crazy. The drum roll. Yeah, it's still much more. So okay, we're coming in with 863 kilobytes from Next 12, and then we're coming with 3.9 megabytes with Next 13. And I'm wondering, is there like more optimization that needs to be made? I couldn't imagine like what is really. No. Yeah, that's it.
What is going on here?
That's
Can
it.
Can we test other pages? Let's test other pages to see if that's accurate.
Yeah.
Maybe the image thing is needing some updates or whatever it is. But 1.
Interesting.
1.4.
No, so this is the exact same. 12 and 13, 1 megabyte total loaded of JavaScript. 1.1 in Next. Okay, that's a slight improvement. Yeah.
So it's any page with a lot of images, I bet. Maybe there's some But then again, it's measuring JavaScript, not image
Yeah,
rendering.
no, that's just JavaScript. So I'm wondering what's going on there.
Hmm.
That's interesting.
Okay. Well, maybe we can
Yeah,
take this up with the Next.js team.
yeah. Next.js team, what's going on here? Okay,
So, how many times bigger was that?
4.
So,
Like
what was
4
the
times bigger.
4 times larger? So, well,
Ready?
that's no bueno.
Nope. That's coming in under 1 megabyte. And we got about 3.9. Yeah, that's no bueno at
Can you
all.
shoot me those? Can you shoot me that link?
Yeah, yeah.
And I'll take a look too.
Yeah. Ooh.
So this is the Next.js 12. So we'll clock it here. JS, I'll refresh. Whoa, now it's crawling. What's going on? Okay. So we've got, which one did we look at here? I got 1 megabyte
Yeah.
and then 2.6 megabytes resources.
Oh, I can barely see that. Hold on.
And then this is Next.js 13. This is 5.1 megabyte resources.
Look at
So
that.
we've got 2.6, 5.1. So
Double.
twice as big,
Double there.
double the JavaScript payload.
Interesting. So yeah, first yeah.
1.5 here,
I wonder why that
2.1.
is.
So it looks like it's less. I'm getting less on the home page, less resources on the home page. 1.5, 1.6,
Just like by a
2.1
little bit, right?
on the Next 12. Yeah, so interesting. So it may be something to do with the images, I imagine, because on the home page where there's
Yeah, but that's
almost
just
no images, maybe one image here,
it's just the JavaScript
1.8.
though. It's
and then here it's 2.
yeah, and they were saying something about the next image in Next 13. Wonder if there's something we're using in the images that just aren't optimized anymore.
Yeah, so I'm seeing a performance boost, or rather uh, a payload minimization here on the deployed. So 2 on the Next 13, and then 1.6. So definitely shipping less on these like minimal image pages.
Yeah.
But yeah, something is up with the image. I think we'll need to look into that and see how we can optimize that. Yeah, because this is clocking in 2.6 megabytes. This is clocking in 5.7 megabytes. So yeah, it looks like it's something to do with the image.
It's definitely the image
JavaScript
component.
payload.
Yeah.
We've got a ton of images on this page.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Well, good to know.
Yep.
That's the issue there. So we'll do some diving in to see what other things we can do with this, and possibly do an update guide. Maybe we'll do migrating from Next.js 12 to 13, and
Absolutely.
note these issues that we ran into.
Absolutely.
And what do you think? Should we wrap it? Put a button
I think
on
we
this
should
one?
wrap it. Yeah, I think so. I think that was fun on the spot. On the spot, Next.js 13 stuff. Some stuff's easier than others, but yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
Cool.
interesting to see like the strategy, the upgrade path that they've laid out for us. Seems like they've done a lot of work to make it nice and simple. But there's definitely some things that are more manual that we'll have to kind of dive in and get that worked through. But great work, man. So
Hey,
that wraps
you
up
as
this
well.
one.
Cool.
We'll catch you on the next episode. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Absolutely. Take it easy.